Oh, finally someone's ripping the Band-Aid off with no mercy. Hats off to you, big shot. There you were, chasing her like a lovesick puppy, tail wagging, convinced she'd one day toss you a bone with the same dreamy eyes she gives the pizza delivery guy. Newsflash, she won't. The more you show you're smitten, the more she brushes you off like junk mail in her inbox. You push, she bolts. You pour on the charm, she flips the switch to, sorry, too busy living my fabulous life you're not invited to. But then, my friend, when you slam on the brakes, when you ditch that one-man marathon you've been running, oh, that's when the magic kicks in. No, she doesn't throw a party. No fireworks. She just freezes. 'Cause her little game only works when there's a sucker dumb enough to play. In the quiet of you ghosting her, a whole drama unfolds in her head, one she wouldn't spill even to her bathroom mirror. What used to be a sure thing, you, drooling, always there, more predictable than a rom-com ending, turns into a total mystery. And let me tell you, nothing bugs her more than a clingy dude who vanishes without leaving so much as a breadcrumb trail. From here on out, you're about to peek into the 3 or maybe 3,000 voices screaming in her skull when you stop chasing. Dark little secrets she'd deny even under a lie detector, but they're there, stuck on repeat like that annoying pop song she can't shake. And nope, this ain't a crash course in how to be a player. This is Dignity 101, something you've been handing over since that first "Good morning, gorgeous" she didn't even bother to read. Get this through your head. Your disappearing act packs more punch than a sappy text loaded with broken heart emojis. So, before you trip over yourself again, do the bare minimum like a decent human. Hit that like button, subscribe, tap that weird hyper thing. Yeah, no one knows what it does, but it gets this video to other hopeless romantics like you. And drop a thanks man in the comments, 'cause this reality check didn't come cheap. Now chill out, swallow your ego, and listen up. 'Cause after today, if you go back to chasing, it's on you. You must love eating dirt. At that point, there's nothing left but to watch you fade into the background of your own damn movie. Number 1. Is he with someone else? Oh, here's the old school ego bruise. You vanish for what, 48 hours? And boom, she's spiraling into a soap opera meltdown. Don't kid yourself, it's not 'cause she misses you. Let's keep it real. It's her ego howling, wait, what? He's not drooling over me anymore? You were Mr. Reliable, liking her stories, texting good morning with a cheesy sun emoji, even cracking up at her lame horoscope jokes. Now, dead air, total radio silence, gone like you're auditioning for the CIA. And just like that, her brain short circuits with the $1,000,000 question. Is he with someone else? Nah, it's not love. It's her cozy little setup where you're the sidekick in her life's blockbuster, there to text back when she's bored, ignored when she's got better plans, and only remembered when her ego's running on empty. But now you've walked off set, the show's a flop, and the star, her, is freaking out. She's spinning fan fiction in her head. You with some new chick at a spot you've never even been, giggling over inside jokes she swore were your thing. This mystery girl liking posts she never bothered with. And the kicker? You're smiling like, full-on, teeth out, genuine smiling, scandalous. Of course, she'd rather die than admit it. Instead, she slaps on a butterfly filter selfie, drops a shady, "You snooze, you lose" caption, and acts like she's living her best life while secretly chewing her nails and stalking your cousin's cousin on Instagram. She won't text you. Pride. Please. It's terror. Terror that you'll prove what she's been dodging. You're not her lapdog. You've got legs of your own now. You're done playing the fool. And there you have it. Buddy chaos unleashed. The guy she could set her watch to is now a riddle. Her sure bet's a wild card. And the only thing she knows for sure? You're the one who pulled a Houdini. But hold your horses. Take a deep breath, 'cause thought number 2's coming in hot and sour. Let's roll. Number 2, did he figure out my game? Oh, now it's getting juicy. After her brain's been chewing on the maybe he's with someone else theory, here comes the real gut punch fear, the deep down dread. Did he clock that I was just messing with him? Yup, she knows it, pal. She knows she left you on read like a dog staring at an unthrown ball. She knows those one-word replies were just to see how much you'd squirm. She knows she'd dip out on purpose, betting you'd come crawling back on WhatsApp like a pup begging for a belly rub. And guess what? Up until yesterday, you fell for it like a champ. Now, poof, you're gone, vanished, cut off her free attention drip. And she's losing it, 'cause maybe, just maybe, the chump finally saw through her 2-bit magic show. If you caught on that her game was all about pumping up her ego and still had the guts to walk away, hats off, you're her worst nightmare. Predictable guys, dime a dozen. But a dude who knows when to quit being a doormat? That's gold. Rare as hell. One of a kind. A legit threat to the tiny emotional kingdom she thought she ruled. Right now, she's feeling exposed. Not in a take your shirt off way, calm down, but emotionally bare. 'Cause you saw the trick, you got it, and most importantly, you did something about it. She knows she dangled crumbs expecting you to keep begging for the whole damn buffet. Now, in a panic, the question bouncing around her head is, did he get sick of a game where I'm the only one winning? And buddy, just the thought of that sends her into a tailspin. Losing you now isn't losing some fanboy. It's losing a guy who could have been the real deal if she hadn't played you like a toy she'd toss when she got bored. Hang tight, 'cause Thought 3's coming with an even sharper sting. Ready for the next face slap? Let's go. Number 3, is he worth more than I thought? Oh, now we're at the part where the tables turn hard, her own spells biting her in the ass. When you bail, time doesn't just tick by, it hangs heavy. Every second you're AWOL adds another brick to the wall of what if she's stacking in her mind. Out of nowhere, that too nice guy she brushed off with a ha-ha transforms into some mythic figure. Was he actually better than I gave him credit for? Funny how that works, huh? When you were around, all goofy and on call 24/7 like a late-night snack run, she couldn't care less. Now you're MIA, and suddenly you're the last damn unicorn on the planet. She's replaying everything in her head. Your sweet texts, the little gestures, how you actually gave a damn stuff she used to roll her eyes at as overkill now feels like a unicorn sighting. 'Cause here's the tea. It's rare as hell, but you only see it once it's gone. And it gets better. She's not just reminiscing, she's sizing you up. Yup. Pitting you against the loser who texts sup 2 days late, or the hot but dumb guy who sends shirtless pics then ghosts. And guess what? They don't hold a candle to the effort you put in. Now you're a prize. A shiny gold medal she chucked out, thinking she could grab another at the corner store. Plot twist, no dice. And the best part, you didn't have to grovel, beg, or make a scene. You just pieced out. Let the silence do the talking. And that silence? It's louder than any love-drunk essay you could have sent. Here's where it lands, champ. She gets it and it rips her apart. There's nothing worse than realizing you didn't lose 'cause you got dumped, but 'cause you were dumb enough to trash someone who was the real deal. So what about you? You've got 2 roads now. Step up like a guy who's finally clocked his worth, or slink back, groveling, and turn into the same old rug she'd wipe her boots on when she's bored. Oh, and if you're fed up with being emotionally drained like an open bar buffet, hit the description and snag that digital book you know you need. Real talk. The world doesn't bow to needy nice guys. It bows to dudes who demand respect. Want to keep being her fancy doormat? Cool, your funeral. But don't say I didn't warn you. Ready for the next wake-up call? Let's roll. Number 4, why did he disappear now? Talk about a twist straight out of a season finale, huh? You vanish, no rant, no cryptic post, no tantrum, just poof, like you finally realize the party's over and bam, her head's a full-on paranoia playground. It's not just that you're gone. It's when you pulled it off, a perfectly timed gut punch she never saw coming. In her mind, you didn't just dip. You dipped at the exact right moment to leave her spinning. And that, my guy, is savage. Beautifully savage. She's hitting rewind hard. That icy last text she sent. The day she left you hanging to flirt with her ex. That sneaky, I'm just hard to get bullshit. Every petty move she pulled is now a suspect in, did I screw this up? What she refuses to swallow is the simplest truth. You're over it. That's it. No soap opera showdown, no ultimatums, no breakdown. Just pure, unfiltered dignity. And for someone who thrives on your chaos, dignity's like a shot of straight poison. You didn't sob, didn't fight, didn't beg her to keep you. You just bounced. Left her talking to herself, tossing shade into the void, grinning at stranger likes like that'd get under your skin. And here's the kicker. What's prettier than this? In the emptiness you left behind, she's scrambling to fill it with answers you'll never give. 'Cause you don't owe her a damn thing. You split 'cause you felt like it. 'Cause you've got your own back. And for her, that's more unsettling than a WhatsApp block. Now she's lost. Did you find someone new? Get fed up with her games? Finally see she was treating you like yesterday's news? Or just decide you've got better shit to do than chase someone who can't make up her mind? This meltdown she's having? Just the warm-up, trust me. The next thought's rolling in heavy with regret, the kind you can't fake your way out of. Want the next smackdown? Here we go, this is heating up. Number 5. Did I go too far? Oh, isn't this a treat? After the mental marathon she's run, yep, her brain's a silent rave of wild theories. We hit the bitterest pill yet. The soul-crushing doubt that's got her ego in a chokehold. Did I go too far? Yup, sweetheart. Looks like your little game's not so fun anymore. That scheme she thought she had on lock like some mastermind general just blew up in her face. And the worst? No one's clapping for her. Now she's staring down memory lane. Those frosty replies, the calculated ghosting, all the time she played coy instead of keeping it real. And guess what hits her? You weren't too clingy. You were there. You weren't too nice. You were ready in a way that's rarer than a signal in the middle of nowhere. What she used to call lame, she's now calling thoughtful. What she mocked as desperate flips to, damn, he was actually into me. But duh, she's not texting you that. She's fronting acting like she's golden, life's perfect, she's moved on. Except her pillow's spilling the tea. She swapped a sure thing for a gamble, substance for surface, a shot at something real for an ego trip. And the cherry on top? You didn't have to yell, pour your heart out, or play the pity card. You just vanished. No fuss, no crowd, no heads up. Now she's stuck, cuddling her regrets, pretending she's fine but feeling every damn tick of the clock. That, my man, is the ultimate gift for someone who thought you'd always be her backup plan, the gift of gone. But hang on, because there's one last thought to cap off this masterpiece of her mental meltdown. Ready for the knockout? Let's do it. Number 6. What if he never comes back? Oh, the big finish, the ultimate freakout, the quiet panic attack, the emotional crash she hides behind, I'm good, moving on. 'Cause now, pal, it's clicked. You might be gone for good, and that cuts deeper than a block, a ghost, or some teary goodbye novel. Back when you were her digital knight in shining armor, quick replies, compliments, plans she blew off, life was peachy. You were her emotional plaything, sitting pretty on the shelf for whenever her ego needed a boost. But now, you're out. Not some pouty, I'm mad exit. No, this is the I'm done being your circus clown kind of gone. And she feels it every time she checks Instagram and your like's not there. every forced selfie you don't bite on, every vague shade she throws that you either miss or straight up ignore, because you've got bigger fish to fry than chasing scraps. And in that screaming silence, the bomb drops. What if he's really never coming back? No applause, no sorry, no waterworks, just nothing. Worse, a nothing dripping with your dignity. A quiet so thick it sits on her conscience like a daily "you messed up" memo. You walked away 'cause you're worth more, and she's just another fool who lost a keeper 'cause she thought the game could go on forever. This isn't about power plays anymore. It's not about head games. It's about real, raw loss. She didn't ditch some lovesick pushover. She let go of a guy who, with a little respect, could have been one of the rare ones worth keeping. And the sweetest part of this whole saga? You didn't lift a finger beyond exiting stage left with style. No blowouts, no begging, just grown-up vibes. And for someone who gets off on puppeteering people like a kid, grown-up is a foreign language. Conclusion. Buddy, take a bow. You've cracked what some folks never figure out in a lifetime. Anyone who only sees your shine after you're gone didn't deserve your name on their lips in the first place. You didn't throw a fit. Didn't drunk text at 3 a.m. Didn't grovel like a soap opera reject. You shut up. And that silence, oh man, that silence, it hit harder than a million clingy rants. While she's tying herself in knots over where she lost the reins, you'd already clocked it. She had no clue how to handle someone real. You weren't too much. You were just too damn good for someone hooked on cheap thrills. And when a guy gets that, he doesn't flip out, plead, or cause a scene. He steps back. With the kind of dignity only someone who knows their value can rock. Quitting the chase isn't cold, it's sharp. It's guarding your vibe from a leech who only takes and never gives back anything solid. 'Cause one-sided attention, that's emotional handouts. And sorry, dude, you're a king, not some affection panhandler. Will she think of you? Yep. Will it eat at her? Oh yeah. Will she second-guess every move? You bet. Too bad for her, though. You're already leveling up. Living your life, writing your story, maybe even chuckling at that pathetic past that nearly sold you on love equals groveling. Truth is, when you know your worth, you don't settle for second place. You're nobody's backup plan, and you damn sure don't circle back to where you were slept on. So if this video bruised your pride a little, good. That's the point. Now step up. Share this with that clueless buddy who thinks love's about eating dirt, sub to the channel, and hit the comments. When did you realize you were worth more? Let's see who's got the balls to spill it. Now get out there, champ. Live big, grow bigger, and never settle for less than you damn well deserve.